Thanks for watching, guys. Keep watching. We got some other stuff for you. Well, guys, went to come out this morning. My truck battery was dead. Well, you know how we fix that? We'll put a diehard in it. Let's put her in. Alright, guys, let's see if she'll start. Well, might be because we changed the battery. Let's see. There we go. Now I bet she'll start with the remote start. Radio. Let's see. See if the remote start works. Oh, you know what? Battery died. I have to go in the dash and set the remote start to work, so I'll have to do that. I forgot. Chevy problems. Alright, guys. We're out. Hey, guys. How are you? We're going to change the brakes on this car while I talk to you. I wanted to thank all you guys for watching and helping support the channel and doing what you guys do. And you guys are just awesome. So I'd like some ideas you guys want to see. I know this summer we're planning some road trips and everything with the side-by-side so we can get some really good content. I know we're going to try to meet up with some YouTubers, some different YouTubers that have CFMOTO machines and all of that. So, you know, some ideas would be awesome. And if you guys would let me know what you want to see. You guys seen I changed the exhaust on the side-by-side. I had to do that because some of the places where we want to go ride, they don't allow loud exhaust. And I know one thing is some of the places we want to ride, they require spark arresters, which that's an easy mod. I can do that. But they also say you can't modify an exhaust to be louder than factory. So I have no idea what we're gonna do about that. I know that's mostly state parks and state trails. We really don't plan on riding state trails for the number one fact that you gotta buy like a $50 thing. I would rather support the riding places. I'd rather give them my money because they're just a little guy that they gotta eat, and you know, I think the states get enough of our money. They don't need any more. So that's the plan, and I think we're gonna plan the trip for Kentucky or West Virginia, but I think it's gonna be Kentucky. My wife really wants to go there. She has family there that she hasn't saw in years, and I think they plan on riding with us. Not too sure on that one, but I think that was the plan. And I know a lot of people go there to ride, but I'll have the whole group planned out in the groups. That way you guys can join if you want to join. So you just have to let me know. My plan is to get a bunch of CFMOTO owners together and do a huge CFMOTO ride. I want to see Z-Force, C-Force, U-Forces. I want to see every CFMOTO make and model there is. That would be ideal, because I want to do a huge video on my channel with all these machines. It's really time to put CFMOTO on the map, you know. I'm in a lot of the Razor groups, and I'll tell you what, Razors, Can-Ams guys, they all talk crap about the CFMOTO. But in all honesty, guys, I'm a firm believer in it doesn't matter what you ride or how you ride. The only thing that matters is that you're enjoying yourself. And that's all that matters. It's not nice to bash. I know the Razors have a lot of problems. I understand that. But it's not nice to bash brands. And if you're a brand basher, in my opinion, you're just jealous because my $10,000 machine, or should I say $11,000 machine, does the same exact things that a $25,000 machine does. Yeah, it might not have 170 or 200 horsepower, but you know what? It ain't about the horsepower, guys. You're not going to use 170 horsepower. You're really not even going to use 120 horsepower in the woods. It's just not going to happen. And if it does happen, it just means you ride like an idiot. I mean, yeah, we want to cruise fast. Some of us want to crawl, you know. There's nothing wrong with that. But do you really need all that horsepower in the woods? No. You need all that horsepower in the sand. And that's the moral of the story here. That's why I didn't buy a high horsepower machine, because I don't need it. I didn't need to spend that kind of money. Didn't matter. And that's why you guys didn't either, because you don't need to spend that kind of money. That's kind of ridiculous, that kind of money. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see. You know, we got the golf cart build coming, and working on that slowly. I've been focusing on putting my money into side-by-side because that's what you guys really want to see. And I enjoy working on that thing. The golf cart, it can come as it comes. Not a big deal. Doesn't matter. Whenever I get an engine for it, it's whenever I get an engine for it. We'll work on it slowly. It's you know, it's still a goal of mine. We'll get her done. Now that's an ugga-dugga gun. So, all right, guys, I'm going to continue on with my brakes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.